How do you sell personalized print-on-demand items with Printify on Etsy? Let's get started. Personalized items on Etsy are great because people shop gifts very often on there. And even if they buy for themselves, they buy something that feels made for them. So let's take a look at personalized items on Etsy that are doing great right now, and let's see how we can create them with Printify. Whenever I want to go into Etsy to do my research and to see exactly which products are selling best, I want to use EverBee. This tool is the perfect tool to find bestsellers, popular products right now, see exactly how many sales they're making per month, see the keywords that I need to include in my listing, and so much more. So for example, let's look for personalized and see what is showing up right here. Personalized blanket is doing great. Personalized gift, sweatshirt, bag, or socks. Let's pick sweatshirt. Let's do the bestseller right here with EverBee. This one is doing really great with grandma. Really nice. This is doing great. Let's take a look at the store and analyze the entire store with EverBee so we can see how many sales it's making. Okay, this one is making 8,000 euros per month. Let's see what it is. It says mama, and then on the sleeve the names of the babies. And this is what we'll be able to create with Printify really easily. You can use these types of fonts and designs into Canva so it can be easier for you to customize, or you can just go into Printify directly and choose a text that will allow personalization directly from Etsy. So this is what we'll do, but we will also use the ChatGPT generated photos just so we can see how a different font will look. We go to women, sweatshirts, and we want one that also allows for sleeve embroidery. So I'm going to go to embroidery instead, and let's take a look at this one, for example. Embroidery, start designing, and let's actually use this directly inside Printify. We're going to add our own text. You can upload your own font if you want. Embroidery ready. Let's do this one. We're going to say mama, make it a bit bigger. We're going to add a different text, again, embroidery ready. Let's do the same font. This looks really nice, but what I want is to pick the color, and these are the colors that are going to work really well for embroidery. They're already here in Printify, so you don't have to do anything about it. I'm just going to click it a bit so I can make this work. Make this text smaller, and then for the right wrist or the left wrist, wherever you want it to be, you can add the other things, and again, add text, embroidery ready, and let's say we're going to do this one, and we're going to say Anna. Again, picking the thread color. We're going to duplicate this one. So we also have Mary, and duplicate it again and say Sam. Make it a bit smaller. And then you can preview it and see exactly how it would look with the embroidery on it. And we have mama right here and the names on the sleeves. If you want to see the sleeve, you can preview it here, and it will have all the kids' names on the sleeve, as you can see right over here. And you can do a lifestyle photo as well. Save the product, and you can generate mockups with Printify directly. So what we can do is go to AI generated, generate mockup. Let's do an adult, female, okay, smiling, and with hands in pockets, and okay. What you can do right here, whenever you're adding this product into your store, you can enable personalization. So because you use the text directly from Printify, people will be able to write their name inside the listing on Etsy and any other part that they want to personalize, and they will be able to personalize it directly. But of course, my advice is to check every order to make sure that the order goes out perfectly for your customer. So let's take a look at the mockup that I generated. It looks really well and really real, and you can also generate isolated product mockups so you can use those into your Etsy listing photo. This one looks super real. It looks really nice with the embroidery there and the kids' names on the sleeve as well. So this is a really nice idea that you can use with Printify. Other ideas are, of course, create your own sweatshirt. You can do that. Grandma's garden with all these names, and of course you can use EverBee and see the revenue and everything else. Custom text. This one is really nice with initials. This one is really pretty. And of course you can do personalized kids tea and see exactly what is the bestseller. You can do these types for big sis and of course then as a tip and the year that they became a big sister or a big brother, and you can find all these types of designs that will work really well on Etsy, and even generate some with AI that would work really nicely. But make sure that when you do, you include the exact colors that Printify supports for embroidery, so the final design will come out looking really nice. So take a look at the best-selling products on Etsy, see exactly what they're doing and how you can make those listings even better for your store. Where there is demand, you have a chance at selling new products. So make sure to use EverBee using the link below to research those products that are selling really well. Look into the keywords, look into the tags that they use, the exact listing, photo styles, and more. Then use the products inside Printify to create an outstanding brand on Etsy with high quality products in multiple niches. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what types of products would you start creating for your Etsy store. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!